Hello, so this is my demo for homework 1 part 2. So for this homework I have two JavaScript files. First one is called digitalocean.js and the other one is called aws.js. So what I'm going to do first is do node digitalocean.js. As you can see now we don't have any droplets in my account, and here the droplet is created successfully. So if I refresh this page, you can see now we just created a new droplet, and the IP address is this, which is also displayed here. So next thing is, and we create AWS. So here, if we refresh this page, although I have several instances created, they're all terminated. And then now if I click enter, as you can see we have created a new AWS instance, and the IP address is this, ends with 226. If I refresh this page, so here we have this new AWS instance created, and the IP address is the same. It ends with 226. Okay, so next thing I want to do is to make sure that I can use Ansible to ping those two virtual machines. So first I'm going to modify the inventory file, copy and paste those two IP addresses. So this is the DigitalOcean IP address, which should be this, and this is the AWS IP address, which should be this. And next I'm going to run the Ansible all-m ping to let Ansible ping those two servers to make sure that we can, ping have connections with those two virtual machines. So let's try this. Oh, I think I need to enter 2 yeses. Yeah, let's do that again actually, to make sure that we have connections with those two servers. Yes, so we have both connections with the DigitalOcean server and the Amazon Web Service. So next, I'm gonna show you my playbook, which is pretty simple. So we're gonna install Nginx, and then we're gonna run the very basic web server. So now we're going to run my Ansible book -i inventory, and then this build.yaml file. So currently, if we go to those two IP addresses, we should see nothing. Okay, now I'm going to run this playbook. As you can see here, we're installing Nginx on both the AWS and the DigitalOcean. Okay, now if we refresh those two pages, so this is the AWS. If we refresh this, we can see we have the web server up and running, same as the DigitalOcean here.